Good luck, everybody. We are expecting 32 autographs, a 1-of-1, out of 5, everything. We want it all, baby. Hey, somebody's got to pull it, Christopher. Here we go. Can I put these back here? Yeah, they fit nice. I don't like it. Put them here so we can see it. All right. OCD kicking in on full. Are we ready to go? You guys are awfully quiet. Are we ready to rock? You get 4 chrome autographs per box, featuring this year's top performing prospects and veterans. 12 packs per box, 5 cards a pack, 60 cards a box, 60 times 8, 480 cards total. 4 autos per box times 8, 32 autos expected here in the break. Let's go. Gonna have to get real selective about who gets put on the board here. I believe we get patch autos as well. 101 patch auto would be cool. What's up, Bob? Good luck, guys. Here we go. Let's see what this Bowman's best is about. We're on a new camera, by the way. Cal Rally's our first shiny card, refractor to the Seattle Mariners. McGonagall on the insert there. Zach Neto refractor. Wyatt Langford refractor. Where's our first auto? The hell? There's 4 autos in here. Where is it? Tommy White, Eli Willett, refractors, and first auto, Detroit Tigers refractor, Tyrone Leranzo. Tigers prospect for Edward. Starts it off. We got Haesung Kim Laser out of 350. We're going to get real selective what we put on the board here, guys. We'll do a full recap at the end, I promise. We got, what's this? Is this some kind of SSP? Pixel portraits. I'll be honest, I did not look back over the checklist here to see what the short prints are. Is that a short print? I'm going to have to look that up real quick. Let me look up this freaking set real quick again. No way I pulled an Ohtani SSP out of the first box, did I? I don't think so. Pixel portraits have 3. All right, there we go. I'll let you guys school me while I break. Mizorowski. Dude, how's there 4 autos in here? Showpieces, Ohtani, refractor. Poston Montgomery, and Manny Cedeno is our next auto. One's to the New York Yankees. Got all these flashy inserts. They're confusing me. Circuitry, Corbin Carroll. Buxton out of 250 laser for the Twins. McGonigal mini diamond. Leo DeVries refractor. And how about a triple auto to the Philadelphia Phillies out of 50? Andrew Painter, Aiden Miller, and Gage Wood. Kyle Wilson going out to the Phillies. I got two cameras going on here. I got to adjust so they're both set in the same spot. There we go. Andrew Painter, Aiden Miller, Gage Wood on the triple auto for the Phillies. Nice. We got a Juan Soto to 50 for the Mets. Going to Ray. Christian Campbell refractor. All right. Got pixel portraits, Mayor. Okay. They're not rare. Chase Doolander. I got excited. Freddie Freeman, Silver Wave. Jeremy Pena refractor. And our fourth auto here in box number 1. Luke Dickerson to the Nationals. Going to Aaron. We got Marcelo Mayer, best performers. And Slade Caldwell, 299 mini diamond. All right. Let's see one of these cool patch autos. I tell my wife to put the air conditioning on, dude. She's got the oven going. It's freaking hot. Hey, can you pump the air conditioning? It's hot as hell in here. When you live in a one-floor house with an open floor plan and the oven is on, it turns into freaking hell in here. Hell on earth. Here we go. Box 2. Good luck, everybody. We got Juan Soto refractor and a Nate George auto to the Orioles. Going to Patrick. Corbin Carroll, best performers again. 2 of those already. Otani refractor. Charlie to 299 on the mini diamond for the Rockies. Pete Alonso, Silver Wave. Willits, portraits. Hunter Goodman refractor. And Justinson Garcia, the password here for the Boston Red Sox. Refractor auto for Nick DeLeon. Showpieces, JJ Weatherholt. Matt Olson refractor. Garrett Crochet to 150. Roman Anthony refractor. Portraits Ramirez. Jesus Made refractor. And Braseno auto here to the Detroit Tigers, 36 out of 75. Second auto for the Tigers in the break. Going to Edward. Manny Machado out of 199. Eldridge refractor. J.R. Ritchie insert. Caminero to 350. And a Skeens refractor. Paula, we got Jung-Hoo Lee to 250 Mojo. Ketel Marte. Julio refractor and Emilian Petre auto to the Rays. Drake Baldwin there. And Sasaki on the mini diamond version. Emilian Petre, the next auto here for Tampa. Be down on Tuesday. Very nice. The weather's good here. I think it's going to be cold when you get here, though. I believe next week we're getting a cold front in the middle of the week, but the weekend should be nice. Guys, we have 2 streams going on right now. Just a heads up for those of you watching on Facebook. We have the stream on YouTube as well with my face and the overhead camera. If you want to jump on there, just click on the link that's pinned at the bottom here of the live stream. You'll find that. Otherwise, feel free to stick around here in the Facebook version with just the focus on the cards and nothing else. You know, pull them out pull out properly here. All right. I got you, Edward. Hold on, let me catch up on the chat here because apparently I didn't have it open. Yeah, Stroke of Gold is SSP. Yeah. Both of those Otanis you hit do about 50 to 70. Sheesh. Yeah, they'll get taken care of after the break. Anything shiny is going to get sleeved up. Anything significant will get top loaded for sure. Here we go. Straight to the Drake Baldwin, a 199 for the Braves. Schwellenbach. Wyatt Langford, best performance. Crochet to 250. Guerrero refractor. Mason Wynn refractor. X-Fractor auto to the Cubs out of 25. Jackson Wiggins. Pitcher prospect. Chicago Cubs. Going to Ryan out of 25. Paul Skeens, Charlie Condon, Mini Diamond, Tatis Refractor, Quintero 350 Laser, Caglione Refractor. Showpieces, Nick Kurtz, Max Clark Refractor, Kellen Culpepper, Carson Williams, and another Garcia auto here. Red Sox, doubling it up. The other one was a refractor. This is base. Acuna refractor. Cam Smith, best performance, Schoolbowl refractor. We got Carson Bench here. Nice Mets auto. New York. Much better than that Soto card. Soto character. We got Thomas White on the auto refractor to Miami. Going to Lawrence. Top pitching prospect. Doyle here on the Pixel Portraits. Corbin Carroll refractor. I like that Pixel Portraits. Bobby to 75 yellow laser to the Royals. Azana Wave Chizzy refractor. And that's going to do it for box number 3. 5 more boxes to go. Rookie of the year here for the Braves. Why not? 199. Box number 4 coming up. All right, let's do it. Box 4. Good luck. Sasaki starts things off here with a refractor. Let's see some big autos. Charles Davalon, auto to the Dodgers there. Crow Armstrong, Pixel, Ellie refractor. Wave, Dylan Cruz. Bobby refractor there. Urseno, Stephen Kwan out of 99, green for the Guardians. Luke Kishkol. And Griffin Burkholder. The next auto here to the Phillies. Refractor auto. Burkholder. Push up the board a little bit here. Nice auto to the Giants. Joshua Gonzalez, top prospect in our last Bowman release. Giants. Got Correa at 250. Andrew Salas. Nice prospect auto to Miami. Second Miami auto there. Going to Lawrence. We got Sasaki on the diamond insert. Best performers. Walcott. Connor Griffin. Jonah Tong and Mizorowski to 150. Jackson Chorio, performers. Schwarber. Diamond Paul Skeens, $2.99 for Pittsburgh. Showpieces Sasaki, base refractor. Mike Trout. Wilson and Christian Moore. Halfway through the case here. All right. All right, box number 5 coming up. Let's do it, baby. Oh, we got a patch here. I didn't even see that. We got a patch here. Oh, baby. Let's see it. I'm going straight to it. Going out to the Marlins. 12 out of 50. PJ Morlando on the on-card jumbo patch auto. Marlins hitting all the 3 names there for Mr. Guster. Sick hit there for the Marlins. 12 out of 50. PJ Morlando. Sick patch as well. Let me go get some thick sleevies. Need a thick boy for that. Move my drawers around. Hold on. Dude, where's my thick sleeves? Oh. Here we go. Let's see what else is in the box. Quintero refractor. Gunnar Henderson refractor. Liam Doyle. Pete Armstrong. Lombard. This what is All-Star. All future team. Will Smith refractor. Jacob DeGrom, 299. Cam Smith refractor. JJ Weatherholt stars. Caminero refractor. Mason Wynn out of 250. And Luis Pena there on the shiny. Freddie Freeman out of 99. Dodgers. Nick Kurtz refractor. Mick Abel, 4 out of 25 on the Twins auto, rookie auto. Orange on card, Twins going to Matt Colon. Mick Abel to 25. Kim refractor. And Red Lauder on the rookie auto. Cincinnati. Jason T. Autos every break. So. Joshua Gonzalez out of 150. Chandler Simpson refractor. We got Liam Doyle auto. Cardinals. High pick in the draft. Going to Casey. The board up a little bit here. Jacob Wilson, best performers. Jose Ramirez refractor. Silver Wave, Stephen Kwan, Matt Shaw refractor as well. 3 boxes left. Oh, shit. 3 boxes left in this case, guys. 8 p.m. tonight in about 12 minutes. TK is dropping 5 boxes of Stadium Club. If you guys want to have some fun on a cheap break with some good big auto potential. Kind of sucks it's only 1 auto instead of 2 now, but at least the price is a little lower. But if you want to get down in the club, TK is going to be dropping that in very shortly, in about 12 minutes here at 8 p.m. EST. Pick your team style. We got 3 more boxes left here in the break. Ain't done yet. We ain't done yet. Here we go, box 6. Max Clark, Performers, Eli Willits, 199. Crochet there on the shiny. Correa refractor. Performers, Kurtz, Lombard refractor. Rafael Devers as well. Harper, shiny. Showpieces, Cal Raleigh. Alonzo, shiny. Max Clark, All-American. Freddie Freeman. And Hagen Smith here, top pitching prospect for the Chicago White Sox. Going to Tom. Tom, you are on the White Sox. We got Buxton out of 250 for the Twins as well. TJ Kafis auto to 50 to the Guardians. Going to Casey as well. CJ Kafis, 34 out of 50 auto. Sorry, just went to low. Phone just gave me the low battery warning. Buxton refractor, so sorry if it froze up there for a second. Bubba Chandler, 199. Lombard Silver Wave. Sorry if the Facebook feed just stopped for a second. Dylan Cruz refractor. Dante Nori for the Phillies. Where's the Nats, Aaron? Hopefully in the back of this case. We did pull an auto for the Nats, but nobody crazy. Max Clark, 250. Bazana refractor. And a Chorio to 199. Ooh, we got a, oh my God, we got a sick auto just sitting here. Oh man, we got a nice auto just sitting here. I'm gonna hide it. So we got a slow show it. Guys, we got our first monster coming up out of Bowman's Best, baby. First monster coming out of TT Sports Cards, out of the best. Bang, baby, let's go. Ohtani to 25 on card auto. Shit. 15 out of 25. Hell yeah, I'm going wild over this. Damn, that's a big card right there. 15 of 25 for Mr. Nick DeLeon. Was ready for the break drop. That is a certified nuke right there out of Bowman's Best. 15 of 25, Ohtani. Damn. Huge. Two more boxes to go. It's been a minute since we pulled an Ohtani auto in the room. I think the last Ohtani auto we pulled was Tarka when he pulled the Stadium Club redemption. Max insurance on that one. Yeah, shoot me a message and remind me. Triple auto, patch auto, Ohtani auto. What else does the case have to offer? Let's find out. We got Abbott to 250. Jake Mangum on the auto here to the Rays to 75. Bob getting some Rays love coming down to visit them. Caminero, Bowman's Best. What is this called again? Circuitry. PCA. Silver Wave, Roman Anthony, Chandler Simpson, refractor. And Jesus Mod Day to 350. Refractor, Kate Anderson. Joshua Gonzalez again. Showpieces, Aaron Judge. Bryce Matthews, shiny. Bryce Harper out of 250. Ellie refractor. Dante Nori, another auto, second Dante auto. At the end of the break, we will recap all the hits, all the autos, all the numbered hits in the break. If you missed any part of it, stick around, or if you just want to see all the hits again, stick around at the end. In 3 minutes, guys, don't forget TK's Stadium Club is about to drop in just 3 minutes here, right when we finish this box and before we run the last box. Lombard 299, Schwarber, and Jofran Castillo auto to the Rangers. Skeens refractor, Schoolboy Diamond, Corey Seager shiny, and Mike Trout shiny as well. One more box left in the case here, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Thank you, everyone who joined this break. We got more Bowman's Best. Should be landing tomorrow. As soon as I get confirmation that the delivery is going to happen, we'll get another case up. All right, can we beat the Ohtani auto to 25? It's going to be hard. A 101 would have a chance to top the Ohtani auto. Yeah. All right, I believe Tarka's break is about to drop right now, so let me go grab that link for you guys. Not yet. It's not 8 o'clock yet. Sorry to keep you guys waiting here. I just want to post this link. Once I see a drop, I'll post it after the break. Here we go. Last box of the case. Good luck, everybody. You guys know where to find the breaks if you want. Jacob Wilson refractor. Blake Burke auto for the Brewers. Nothing for the Brewers except till now. Going out to Wes. Jacques Caglione. And we got an Ellie De La Cruz. Another low battery warning there. Sorry. We're at 10%. On the diamond here. Hold on, no, I'm busy right now. All right, the stream on Facebook froze on my phone. And dude, we're like literally almost done with the break here. Guys, go over to the YouTube stream. I don't know what happened to the Facebook stream. Oh, literally at the end of the freaking break, dude. Guys, everybody go to the YouTube stream. All right, sorry guys, I'm sending everyone over here to YouTube. Oh, we're back. Okay. Nope, not back. Never mind. All right. We just started a new live here on Facebook, guys. Can't win over here. All right, everybody, give me a moment because I got to tag everyone now that is part of this break in the new stream, yada, yada. Unless everybody here is on the YouTube. God, break was running so smooth. Dinner's ready. It was about to be done right before dinner. And then this happens. All right. Guys, I don't know what's happening. We're going to have to finish it out on YouTube here. Something's up with this phone. All right. I think everybody's here now, right? Is everybody here? Let's go. I should have had the feed go out before I pulled the Otani. That would have been nice. Walker Jenkins. Correa 250, Weatherholt refractor. And Zaire Hope here. One more for the Dodgers. $51 out of 150, Zaire Hope auto. Francisco Lindor refractor. Fernando Tatis, 6 out of 50 for the Padres. Mason Miller out of 99. Kyle Tucker, best performers, Jackson Holiday. Sheesh, guys. It doesn't get any better than this for the Dodgers. How about an Otani case hits? 13 out of 99. Best tech, Shohei Otani. World Series champions, best tech to 99. What a break for the Dodgers. My goodness. Zach Cole auto. Pena to 350. Suzuki refractor. Wade Devers, Abbott refractor. And that's our case. Oh, no, one more here. Ooh, to 15. Rays. Bob complaining about the Rays hitting fire. 12 out of 15. Aiden Smith to close out the break. That is it, guys. All the Bowman's best of case number 1 has been ripped. Like I said, we will have more tomorrow. We should, as long as UPS does their job. Stick around if you want to see a recap of all the hits of the break. Well, that's it. Recap coming up in a moment. Huge hits for the Dodgers, my goodness. All right, best hit of the break, Ohtani, 15 of 25. Best performers, auto. And the Ohtani World Series, best tech to 99 as well. Patch auto, PJ Morlando for the Marlins. That's a banger also. Plus the triple auto to the Phillies, Andrew Painter, Aiden Miller, and Gage Wood. Other autographs, Aiden Smith out of 15 for the Rays. Mick Abel to 25. Jackson Wiggins to 25 auto. CJ Capis, gold auto to 50. Rosario auto to 75. Mangum also to 75. Hagen Smith for the White Sox. Rhett Lauder, rookie auto to the Reds. Benj for the Mets. Liam Doyle for the Cardinals. Castillo for the Rangers. These are all on-card autos, by the way. Lorenzo for the Tigers. Salas for the Marlins. Davalon for the Dodgers. More autos still. Zach Cole for the Astros. Zaire Hope, a 150 for the Dodgers. Blake Burke for the Brewers. Thomas White to the Marlins. Dante Nori, Phillies. Joshua Gonzalez to the Giants. Garcia for the Red Sox. Gonzalez, number 2. Dante Nori again for the Phillies. Luke Dickerson. Griffin Burkholder for the Phillies. Manny Cedeno for the Yankees. Petre for the Rays. Nate George, Orioles. Garcia for the Red Sox. And then we got our other parallels here on the side. We got 2 out of 50. One is a Tatis circuitry. Juan Soto to 50 for the Mets. Garrett Crochet, Boston. Machado, 199. Made, 350. Quintero, 350 as well. Jung-Hoo Lee, 250. Buxton, 250. Pena, 350. Benj, 299. Lombard, 299. DeGrom, 299. Skeens as well. Plus Charlie, auto 299 there. Just Ward to 150 and Mizorowski plus Garrett Crochet, all to 150. Carlos Correa 250. Andrew Abbott, Bryce Harper, Max Clark, Byron Buxton, Mason Wynn, Carlos Correa, all 250s as well. 350s Caminero, Haesung Kim, 299 Chandler, Slade Caldwell, 199 Chorio and Willits, and Baldwin, Bobby to 75, Freeman to 99. Miller to 99, and Quan to 99 as well. And again, guys, absolute nuke here for the Dodgers. Shohei Ohtani, best performer auto to 25. Nasty. Thanks so much, everybody. Have a great rest of your night.